Currently, we are at city main sewer line tapping point. We can see the sewage running at the bottom of the pipe here. We're going to be pulling the camera back through the clean out located in basement of property. As we're pulling the camera back, you're going to see us entering this pipe. This is the main sewer line for the homeowner here. Going to be pulling back here. It looks like a concrete pipe at this connection here. The pipe looks to be at least 6-inch pipe, potentially even 8-inch.
Look at these clogs. Can you see this?
Coming back in the sewer line here.
Everywhere all of a sudden.
You can see that's the connection point from the SDR piping located in front of property where clean out is, and concrete piping looks to be have a slight separation there for sure. Looks like connection point from concrete right here to SDR. It's kind of sagged a little bit, causing that lip. So we're in this green SDR pipe. This is what clean out at front of property is made out of. We will be seeing clean out here momentarily as we're pulling the camera back.
Everybody has a different theory, but the predominant theory is electrolysis. Is the groundwater up here? Yeah, the predominant theory is electrolysis. The groundwater.
So you can see the clean out located just here, tied into SDR piping. Clean out is that white section, and that pipe is going up, located in front of property. Now we're back into a smaller diameter size pipe. Looks like 4-inch terracotta or clay piping from clean out. Going back towards property. This is the root intrusion in main sewer line here. Let's see. Looks to be forming from connection point in terracotta where these two pipes converge. You can see that's the connection point down at the bottom. It's able to be letting roots grow into sewer line that will create a backup eventually in future. We're still in 4-inch terracotta piping here. We'll pause video here. Continuing video, pulling back here. This section of piping looks in pretty good shape. We're going up a drop here. You can see there's some buildup just at the drop. Looks like this drop is the transition point from cast iron to terracotta piping. You can see the smoothness right here of the terracotta clay piping as compared to the cast iron roughness that we're seeing right here. You can see the cast iron piping kind of corroding a little bit from the inside, creating a channel here. The cast iron will eventually fail. This one's probably, and this is us just inside ABS, just inside property. Sewer line Looks to need at least minimal maintenance as far as cleaning tree root intrusion from main sewer line. Possibly would be a good idea to preemptively replace sewer line, so all sewer line is updated in PVC material. We'll pause the video here and locate where root intrusion is. Continuing video, just marked the location of terracotta to SDR connection point. It's 4-inch terracotta, 6-inch SDR. Root intrusion is located about 10 feet back from clean out there, and we'll locate where sewer line is exiting property here. Will most likely be at connection point for cast iron to terracotta piping here. We'll pause video and attempt to locate where sewer line is exiting property. Located where main sewer line is exiting property. We are pulling camera back into cast iron. In conclusion, cast iron can have potential to create a backup, as toilet tissue and waste will have a more difficult time passing through this section of piping. Terracotta piping there and after looks in very good shape, aside for a slight area of root intrusions. After that, sewer line looks to have been replaced to city tap, which would include that 6-inch clean out at front of property. Would recommend jetting service, descaling cast iron, at least to make cast iron a little bit more smooth, and or replacement of section of sewer line, just up until clean out located at front of property to update all drain lines leaving property. But that is just coming out of the SDR cleanout located in basement of property. We'll end video here.